Hello, Jennifer Tochi here. And I'm doing unfucking of a Temu. I guess this is 3 packages put into one. I got a little tiny bag too, but that's with something personal in it that I can't show on my channel. And no, it's not something dirty. It's for just personal use. Yes. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. This is why I don't have no fucking money. As the great interweb kaiju says and sings. Oh my gosh, I got 2 of the same thing. What the hell? Okay. Let's start out with the littler things. Yes. Ooh, another pin. Warriors, come out to play. Yes. And I know another fanatic Warriors fanatic out there. So, I also got him one. Yes. Warriors, come out to play. Okay. Why did I get 2 of these? Huh. Why did I get 2 of those? I don't know. I better not have had to pay for them. Me will be checking my Temu bill to make sure I only had to pay for 1 of these. Because I got 2 of these. I want my MTV. I got 2 of them. And I better have only paid for 1. Yes. My pin strap that I have on my bathroom door is becoming quite filled. Yes. Made for each other. Yes. Frankenstein and his bride. Yes. What is in this little bag? Little bag, let me in. Ooh, something private. Something cloth and private. Okay. What is this? Oh, leg warmer. Oh. Yes. Big ass leg warmers. Yes. Yes. Because I don't like wearing pants to bed. And my legs get cold. Okay. A shirt that's too big for me. Yeah. Oh, this is, yes, I'm cold. Me, 24/7. Yes. This is a nightgown. Okay. What else have we got here? We've got a shining diamond art. Jack Nicholson chasing, a big Jack Nicholson chasing his wife and son down the labyrinth. I will always consider it the labyrinth. Mr. Bean, yes. Diamond Art. A bowling shirt I will certainly wear. People say, Jen, why do you wear clothes that are too big for you? Because I can, yes. No, looks like I got 3 of the same type of bra. Yes. That'll hold them. Stop! Hold! Quit bouncing. Okay. Okay. Another pin. 666, number of the beast. Guess this is my number. Come on. Open. Oh. Sweatshirt. Red sweatshirts. I figured I need to stop getting black everything. Black sweatshirts. Just black. Okay. Okay. It's okay if you don't like me. Not everyone has good taste. Bingo bongo boingo. Yes. It's true. I'm gonna wear that for one person. Yes. Let's get all these damn things. Okay, now what is this big black thing? Ooh, sweatpants with the wool inside, just like the sweatshirt I'm wearing. I am farkin' freezing, and my Temu purchases show it. Yes. Hey, stop that, whatever who's doing whenever it's naughty back there. Okay. What is this? Oh, a humor shirt. Some people are like slinkies, yes. Not really good for much, but bring a smile to your face when you push them down the stairs. Yes. La 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 la. I'm not rude. I just have the balls to say what everyone else is thinking. Oh, man. That guy had an effect on my shopping, I'll tell you that. And a pair of pants, I see. A pair of pants. And they're actually jeans. Ooh, my. I like these jeans. Yes. I was afraid they might turn into polyester. They might be polyester when I got them. So, woo! One thing is missing that I ordered that should be in here. Why aren't you in here? Is it maybe in the littler one? I asked for another pen. Let me open this little one. Nope, the pin's not in here. I'll just show you a picture on the... boop! Boop! Okay. That's the one I said I wasn't going to show you, but I just did. Breaking my rules. Yes. I want to know why I didn't get my pin of Morticia and Gomez Adams. But other than that, I am happy. I'm going to put on those wool sweatpants right now. 'Cause I'm fucking freezing. Fucking freezing, yes. Maybe some leg warmers too. It's like I'm going back to the 80s, slowly but surely. Yes. So everybody have a nice day.